In 2017, I have bought 200 boxes full of old vintage electronic parts for only €5 each. Now, in 2019, I have my first look at the contents. I will upload one box video every day. I hope you enjoy. Welcome back. Not sure if you have seen the last video. This was full of quartz oscillatoren, crystal oscillators, and I have no idea what's in the next drawer. So let's see. Okay. Ooh, that's nice. We have some very high quality switches. More switches. Oh, this one is packed with resistors. Amazing. Oh, beautiful. There are more of them. Nice. More switches of ultra high quality. Siemens layer switch ceramic type. This is just wonderful. Look at that. Oh, some exciting parts. Connectors of some sort. No, switches. Yeah, switches. Excellent. I can make really good use of them. More switches, dip switches. Oh. Wow. This is absolutely crazy. Wow, look at that. These are the famous Siemens layer switches. Excellent. Beautiful. Wow. Oh, this is absolutely crazy. So stay tuned for the next box. Yeah, what's that? I have no idea. It is originally sealed and from Siemens. Let's find out. Oh, beautiful. That's wonderful. Wow. Oh, excellent. Crazy stuff. I guess it was in the wrong box, because here are more